Ba ng God na yumaman tayo? Para sa akin, nasagot ko na yan. I believe that God wants you to prosper. And I don't think the God that we have want us to be poor. And so therefore, kung titignan ko, why He gave us the ability na meron tayo, yung ability, yung talents and giftings, why He gave that to us? May purpose siya. Wala namang tao magsasabi na I have this ability and this is from me, I created myself. Wala namang tao magsasabi nun. And in fact, kung sinasabi ng tao yon, he is self-deceived. Para sa akin, kung titignan natin yung katotohanan, God gave us ability. It is something that animals don't have. No other creature has that. So tayong mga tao, meron tayong ability to solve a problem, ability to create value, to add value to others. Meron tayong ganon. Pero pwede natin gawin yung ability natin, gamitin natin in order to get value from others or extract value from others or make other people poor. Pwede natin gawin yon. Pero kung gagawin natin yon, that is not the purpose of God. So yung binigay ng Diyos na ability sa atin, dapat maintindihan natin na meron tayong purpose na binigay ng God sa atin. Kasi yung binigay na niya sa atin na gano'n, may accountability tayo, may pananagutan tayo sa Diyos. And therefore, yung ability na yon, kung gagamitin natin sa paraan niya, doon sa tamang purpose niya, I believe na God will partner with us. God will support us. God will give us the power para na sa gano'n, makagawa pa tayo ng mas maraming kabutihan at maging blessing tayo sa maraming tao. So, the first thing to do is to acknowledge kung saan nanggaling yung ability na yan and to thank Him and to start improving that ability so that you can bless more people.